Hey everyone, it's Natasha. In today's video, I wanted to show you this month's Raddish Kids box. It is October of 2020. So Raddish Kids is really fun. It's a subscription box based on cooking, and you always get some sort of tool. In this box, we have this silicone measuring cup. That's kind of cool. And then here's the main thing you get. So Frightful Fiesta, you always get a what do you call these, to put on your apron? I can't think of what these are called right now, but you can iron them onto your apron. Your first box, you do get an apron. Okay, so this is really great for the younger crowd. We also do Eat to Explore, which I think personally is great for the older crowd, like the high schoolers. So we actually have both. I mean, and they can go both ways, both of them. But if I have to choose, I would say this one for the younger crowd and Eat to Explore for the older crowd. Okay, so enjoy a spooky fiesta. Tool of the month, your liquid measuring cup. Cook along question. Hungry for more? You can go here and you can get bonus recipes, musical playlists, lesson plans, activities, and more. Okay, so that, oh, forgot that. And then a word search on the back. Okay, and then here we have Frightful Fiesta. We have culinary skills worked on this month are stovetop safety, measuring liquids, and piping techniques. Recipes are creepy corn dip, mummy enchiladas, and haunted trays leches cake. And then collectibles, you get a liquid measuring cup, an iron-on patch, and pop-out tabletop cards. Games and activities, paper bag pinata activity, Frightful Fiesta word search, and then a grocery list on the back. I find this grocery list actually extremely helpful, so I'm glad that they do that. And then here we have the recipe. So creepy corn dip, and these I love them because you can reuse them over and over, and they're like the laminated material, and they're really easy for the younger kids to follow along with. And so that's why I say I think these are really great for the younger kids, because it has pictures too of all the ingredients you need and the tools you need. And so my girls like to collect everything. They get everything out before they start. And then it says always wash your hands and make sure an adult is helping you. And then it gives pictures with the steps. So again, I think this is really great for the younger crowd or for students with special needs. This is also really great if they need this visual. And so this has been really fun. My girls really, really enjoy the Raddish Kids, and they love cooking. So here we go. There's all the steps. And then it always gives some extra information. Like, so here we have Fiesta Favorites. And then, so it talks about what a fiesta is. And then Frightful Funny. So this is jokes. And so this works on culture, reading comprehension. And then here's the featured culinary skill, stovetop safety. So these are the skills you're going to want to go over with your children, kitchen safety. Okay, then we have mummy enchiladas. I was just thinking this will go great with my daughter's Egypt unit study too. How cute are those? And the culinary skills and kitchen connections are culture, palate development, and measuring skills. And as you can see here, we have the what you need ingredients, tools, and the steps for making them. And then we have Dia de los Muertos. And this is for culture and tells when, why, and how. And then we have palate development, tortillas many ways. And then we have the culinary skills, measuring liquids, and so you can practice that. Then on the third recipe, we have haunted tres leches cake. We're working on reading comprehension, science, and cooking techniques here. So we have the what you need, ingredients, and tools in the step-by-step directions here. And then we have spooky onomatopoeia, and that's for reading comprehension. Then we have baking science here. And then we have piping techniques. Okay, and then we have some crafts here. We have a paper bag pinata. It tells you what you need and what is a pinata, and then we flip it over and tells us how to make it. So that's really fun. And then we have these tabletop cards. You just push these out, and as you're eating dinner, you can have these conversation starters. And so I like to actually just kind of gather these as we go through them, and then we can use them anytime. And so anyway, that is what comes with this month's Raddish Kids kit. And so I'm going to put a code down below where you can get $20 off, and then I get a $20 credit too. That code is 8TTR52. I'll put it in the description box. So please, if you sign up with Raddish Kids, enter in that code and you get $20 off and I get a $20 credit. So I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions about Raddish Kids, just let me know and I'll see you in the next one.